Hello again, I'm Alan Proethus from Capstone Partners, and today from Enthutech,
Yeah.
we have Moorthi Kanagaraj.
Yeah.
Moorthi, welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks for taking a few minutes to talk to us.
Definitely, yeah.
So, thank you for bringing so many nice things to show
Yes.
too, but before we get into that, why don't you explain to us, tell us about Enthutech. What are you focused on?
Thanks for the opportunity given to Enthutech Technologies to present our solutions here. In fact, Enthutech Technologies is one of the largest company in India who is doing a lot of solutions and integrations of LoRaWAN based, and we especially into agricultural system integration and water metering, and basically we play a major role in connecting all these devices, gateways, and that's where we provide value to our customers.
Now it's such an important piece because, as I like to say, systems integrators are the glue of IoT.
Yeah.
Because they're taking everything from the hardware to the software
Yes.
to actually making sure a business problem gets solved.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
So it's a very important role.
Yeah.
So you're a little bit different though in that most systems integrators don't touch the hardware space.
Yes.
They're not distributors. So why don't you first of all tell us about some of these things you brought? And there's a reason you brought these is because these are your devices.
Exactly. Yeah.
So tell us about what you brought.
So, there are some interesting hardwares which I want to showcase. These are all very smallest battery operated temperature humidity sensor. And of course, for the supermarkets, for any temperature ambience monitoring, everywhere you can definitely use this kind of a smaller one. And the interesting part is this comes for at least 3 years without any battery change.
Wonderful.
And in fact, this is another cool thing which I can show you is a water leak sensor, which water is a main thing where everybody wanted to concentrate and save this one. And this is another cool thing. Again, this also comes for next 3 years. So the battery is a major thing which we always give more importance.
And what size battery do you put in these to achieve that?
So this is all 1000 mAh battery. Yeah. It has a battery which can be replaced after every 3 years, considering the fact that if you take a data in every 1 hour, it comes for at least 3 years.
That's amazing, and thank you for putting a replaceable battery.
Thank
Some
you.
people don't do that, and it gets to be a real problem in the field. And then what's this larger device that you have
This is
here?
one of the reliable and very cost-effective gateway in the market. It comes within 100 USD, and this is one of the fantastic multi-channel gateway available in the market. And there are a lot of customers, plenty of customers are starting with this kind of gateway and getting adapted with the LoRaWAN.
That's fantastic. Now, is that an indoor or an outdoor gateway?
It's an indoor, and it can be converted as an outdoor also. We also have this kind of outdoor certified nodes. This is an IP68 certified nodes. This kind of exterior weatherproofing casing also we can make.
Wow.
We provide that kind of support also to our customers.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
How many channels does that gateway support?
So it's
as
an
well?
8-channel gateway.
Okay,
Yeah.
wonderful.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're not going to get too technical, but I have to ask the basics, right?
No problem.
The LoRa basics. So we talked about you're an SI. We talked about we even do devices.
Yeah.
And then what do you do in terms of a software platform from a network or application level?
Yeah, so that's where we are majorly dependent on TTN. So TTI is one of the best tool where we connect all our gateways to the TTI for the network server applications. And in fact, applications we develop on our own in major time.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
No, it's great having this network you can just plug into, and then it
Correct.
also solves the roaming problem.
Correct. Yeah.
I mean, you're not going to have a refrigerator roaming a lot.
Yes.
But for other use cases like asset tracking, for
Yes.
logistics applications, it becomes very, very important.
Yes, definitely. So what we do is we are the company who develop a different set of customer-specific applications, and with respect to the hardware, with respect to the gateway, and with respect to the application development also. So we have developed the expertise. We keep developing people and who are expertise in this particular domain. Yeah.
Wonderful. And then I have to ask you then, you've also mentioned you're a distributor.
Yes.
So are you distributing your own products or other people's, or what exactly do you do in terms of distribution?
So distribution, we majorly represent Dragino. Dragino is our major partner, and we are representing them globally, and we have a channels to sell their products. We have online portals, we have distributors across the globe, and we do sell in Amazon, we do sell in all the other online channels. And the important thing is we have set up a 24/7 support team who dedicatedly support these customers. And today I have seen a lot of people coming and asking that our support is amazing because they buy this product 1 or 2 and they start getting adapted with the tools, and immediately they are able to access the tools.
That's fantastic because support's so important.
Yes, exactly. That's
because
where we
there's
play.
so many pieces to put together in this
Yeah,
whole thing.
yes,
It's
yes.
like this big complex puzzle where
Exactly.
everything has to fit just the right way.
Definitely.
Well, Moorthi, it sounds like you guys are very, very busy in what you're doing.
Yeah,
and
of
it's
course,
really
course.
appreciate taking a few minutes to speak with us today.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks, sir. Bye.